Who doesn't love European heritage and classical European clothing and accessoires? Here is a package from the French brand Laulhere or Laulhere. I'm not 100% sure about the pronunciation here, but I received a package in very short time. I ordered this on Monday, I think, and it came today on Wednesday. So let's see what's inside. And why did my voice become so suspenseful? I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. Say hello to my son in the background. They gave me candy. Well, I don't eat much of candy, but that's nice. The most beautiful Christmas gift. We hope you will treasure your Laulhere beret or cap and that it will accompany you to the most beautiful events in your life. A Laulhere beret or cap is a gift that combines comfort, durability and elegance. We wish you a wonderful holiday season. All our best wishes. Le plus beau cadeau de Noël. Well, sorry for my French, I studied it only for 2 years. Let's see, I ordered a brown beret. And here we got it in a box. Do you see it? Cocoa color. Cocoa. Here we got it. I thought that this emblem or mark here was made of metal, but I think it's made of plastic actually. I have on me a black one, which I used for 1 year approximately. It has the same mark here. I think it's a very nice detail. It looks very nice. It catches a lot of dust, but you can easily remove it by wetting your hand and rub against the surface and then pick these small dust balls away. I heard about it, I never tried it, but supposedly that's how you do it. I think that berets, they shrink with time. Let's see, 1 year has passed and yeah, you see the brown beret is slightly bigger, maybe 1 centimeter. And that's something I experience with a lot of wool headwear, for example hats or caps, that you buy them in one size, and if they are slightly too big they shrink, and if they are slightly too small they stretch. So that's my experience. So let's see what more I ordered. This was the Authentique, Le Authentique Béret François. Well, something like that. Let's move on to the next item here. And here you get a slightly more luxurious box. Maybe we should start with this one. Now during Christmas you could receive a tote bag from Laulhere if you ordered for more than 99 euros. And it looks like this. Quite nice actually. Laulhere, Le Béret François de Bois. Oh, I don't know how to read that one in French any longer. Well, quite nicely sized tote bag. So let's move on. And this one is Béret Max, or the, I don't know, Max. It's a bigger beret. Look at this. Look at this. It's not a pizza. Compare it to regular size beret and you see, well, here you have 1 centimeter extra. And when it shrinks with time, I think it will look just like this. And this one with time will of course look like this. So if you order 1 centimeter, or let's put it like this, if you order something, be prepared that it will shrink with 1 centimeter, at least the first year. I don't know about the second year and so on, but with time it shrinks. And I try to stretch this one, and with the headband it's okay. I think I'm on the limit for being able to wear this. I have the size 60 or 59.5 or something when it comes to hats, but they say on the webpage that they are stretchable up to size 60, so I should be just on the limit there. Well, let's move on. I was going to speak about this, the Max Beret, the Max Maximum, or I don't know what they call it. They stuffed it here with some nice stuff, and it is actually very much of the same kind of material. They don't have cotton here like on the other. Here is some kind of, I don't know if it's silk or something shining at least. And this emblem here, it looks different. Heritage, Laulhere, heritage. Well, so here you have the big one. And the box, actually, let me show the interiors of the box. You get some kind of artwork here. Quite nice. And a booklet with, I don't know what it is. Something about how they manufacture them, maybe. Cleaning. Well, a little size comparison here. Here we have the big Laulhere beret, and I have also one big Tupida from the Spanish brand, which I cannot pronounce. Actually, I didn't study any Spanish, but well, do you see it if I put them like this? Or maybe if maybe it's not fair. They are actually quite the same. Quite the same size here. This one is made of softer, maybe thinner wool. This is thicker and stiffer beret. So this is more easily foldable, you can feel. And the Spanish beret is a little bit stiffer. Otherwise, quite the same in many respects. And another comparison which I can show you is between a brown Spanish beret. You see it's a little bit on the blue side, maybe bluish or red brown. Comparing it to the brown Laulhere, and you see the difference in nuance. Both are sold as brown, but this is darker or more reddish brown. This is more of chocolate brown, perhaps. And if you want something in comparison with something made in more like Crazy Horse brown or to the cognac brown nuance, you have it here. final note when it comes to the smaller berets, for example these two browns. Here we have the opposite, that the Spanish beret is thinner in the wool material than the French one, which is thicker. Actually, maybe I was wrong when I compared the size of the two berets. When I put the brown one on top of the black one, you see that it's approximately 2 centimeters of a difference. About 2 centimeters difference. So, just so you know. They are sold as 28 centimeters across, and these are sold as 29 centimeters.